Hi, hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is MBK Maths Academy. So, in this video, I am going to explain in class 10 important 8 mark questions from the chapter 7 coordinate geometry. Okay, first question. So that the points minus 4, comma minus 7, minus 1, comma 2, 8, comma 5 and 5, comma minus 4 taken in order are the vertices of a rhombus and find its area. Okay, rhombus means what? In a quadrilateral, adjacent sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are perpendicularly bisect to each other. So here we can prove adjacent sides are equal. How we can prove? By using distance formula. So the distance between the 2 points is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here given a minus 4 comma minus 7, b minus 1 comma 2, c 8 comma 5 and d 5 comma minus 4 are vertices of a quadrilateral. So first find distance AB. Distance AB. So how we can prove that? The adjacent sides are by using the length of side. How we can find the length of side? By using the distance formula. Distance between A and B point. Okay, so here what the formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here x1 is minus 4, y1 is minus 7, x2 is minus 1, y2 is 2. So in these 2 points, x coordinates and y coordinates. X coordinate is minus 4, y coordinate is minus 7. In this point, x coordinate is minus 1, y coordinate is 2. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So here square root x2 minus x1 whole square, that is a minus 1 x2 minus 1 minus x1 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is here 2 minus y2 2 minus y1 minus 7 whole square. So that is a square root minus 1 minus minus plus 4 whole square minus minus plus 4 whole square plus 2 minus minus plus 7 whole square minus 1 plus 4, that is here 3 square, 2 plus 7 9 square. So 3 square 9, 9 square how much? 81. 3 square 3 into 3 9, 9 square 9 into 9 how much? 81. So 9 plus 81 how much? 90. So the distance AB is how much? Square root 90. So same like that we can find BC distance, CD distance, DA distance. So all the distance is same. Then the quadrilateral is become a rhombus. And also find its area. Area of rhombus formula is what? Half into D1 into D2. So in this problem you can also find the diagonal length AC and BD. AC and BD length. So next, the distance BC. So B point and C point distance. So in this B point, x coordinate is minus 1, y coordinate is 2. In the C point, x coordinate is 8, y coordinate is 5. So the distance BC, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that is your square root. Here x2 8 minus x1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is here 5 minus 2 whole square. So here square root 8 minus minus plus 1 whole square. 5 minus 2 is how much? 3 square. So 8 plus 1 9 square plus 3 square. So 9 square 81, 3 square 9. Square root of 81 plus 9, that is how much? 90. So AB distance is square root 90. Next BC distance is square root 90. Next distance CD. So C point is what? 8 comma 5. D point is what? 5 comma minus 4. So CD. Where x coordinate is 8, y coordinate is 5. The first point. X coordinate is second point. X coordinate is 5, y coordinate is minus 4. So square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So that is here x2 5 minus 8 whole square. Y2 minus y1 whole square. That is here minus 4 minus 5 whole square. 5 minus 8 minus 3 whole square. Minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 whole square. So minus 3 whole square 9 minus 9 whole square 81. So 9 plus 81 how much? 90. So the distance CD, that means the length of this side CD is how much? Square root 90. Square root 90. Next, the distance DA. The distance DA. So the point D, x coordinate is 5, y coordinate is minus 4. In the point A, x coordinate is minus 4, y coordinate is minus 7. So here x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Minus 4 minus 5 whole square. Y2 minus y1, that is here minus 7 minus half minus 4 whole square. So square root minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 whole square. Minus 7 minus minus plus 4 whole square. So square root minus 9 whole square, how much? 81. Minus 7 plus 3, that is minus 3 whole square. Square root 81 minus 3 whole square, 9. So square root 81 plus 9, how much? 90. So the length of the DA is how much? Square root 90. So here adjacent sides are equal. Next we can find diagonal length. The diagonal length are equal, it is become a square. The diagonals are length is not equal, it is a rhombus. Adjacent sides are equal, the diagonals are not equal. Okay, that coordinate is a rhombus. Now find here what are the diagonals AC and BD. Diagonal means what? The opposite vertices of a quadrilateral, of a closed curve is called diagonal. Now we can find here the distance, the length of diagonal AC. The length of diagonal AC. So A point is minus 4 minus 7. C point is 8 comma 5. So exponent in the point A, exponent minus 4, y coordinate minus 7. In the point C, exponent is 8, y coordinate is 5. So that is their square root x2 minus x1 whole square. That is their 8 minus 4 whole square. Y2 minus y1 whole square. That is here 5 minus half minus 7 whole square. So square root 8 minus plus 4 whole square. 5 minus plus 7 whole square. So square root 8 plus 4, that is 12 square. 5 plus 7, 12 square. So square root 12 square 144 plus 144. Square root 144 plus 144, how much? 288. So the diagonal length AC is how much? AC is square root 288. These are sides. So next another diagonal is BD. Another diagonal is BD. So find the length of BD. So here distance BD. So B point is what? Minus 1 comma 2. D point is what? 5 comma minus 4. In the point B, x coordinate is minus 1, y coordinate is 2. In the point D, x coordinate is 5, y coordinate is minus 4. Okay, so that is a square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. That is a 5 minus half minus 1 whole square. Plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is a minus 4 minus 2 whole square. So square root minus 5 minus plus 1 whole square minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 whole square. So 5 plus 1 6 square minus 6 square. So 6 square 36 minus 6 whole square 36. So 36 plus 36 square root 72. So that length of the diagonal BD is how much? Square root 72. So here adjacent sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. So therefore ABCD is a rhombus. Therefore hence proved. What asking that? So that the points are vertices of a rhombus. Yes, these points are shows as a rhombus. How? Adjacent sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. Next, what asking that? Also find the area. So area of rhombus form is what? Half into d1 into d2. So area of rhombus is half into d1 into d2. So half d1 first diagonal, that is square root 288. Second diagonal square root 72. So here square root 142, square root 288 we can add as 2 into 144. Next square root 72 we can add as 2 into 36. Square root a into b, square root a into square root b, that is here 1 by 2 into root 2 into root 144 into root 2 into root 36. Square root 1 by 2, root 2 into root 2 whole square, square root 144 12, square root 36 6. Square root cancel, 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. So 2 into 6 6 ja 36, 36 2 ja, that is how much? 72 square units. So area of rhombus is 72 square units.